Hi guys, Tardass McGee, stock picking genius here. Today we're going to look at Rivian Automotive Incorporated, ticker RIVN. Currently the stock's about $15 a share. It's got a market cap of about 13.73 billion. It's an interesting company. I mean, the Rivian trucks, they're all right. They're all right. Not as good as my Mazda B4000, 1996. You can't beat it. It's better than a Ford Ranger too. It's different. It's different than a Ford Ranger. Stop calling the Mazda B series trucks basically Ford Rangers. Not cool, bro. They're very different. Okay, very different. Okay, stop it. I don't appreciate it. But Rivian, it's doing all right. $15. I mean, look at a max chart here. Let's see. IPO about $100. It shot all the way up 172. Amazon bought in. I think at an even higher price than I bought in. I bought in like a little after the IPO. Got down like just under $100 when I bought in. Amazon actually I think was buying in at like $120 when it was like over $100 billion for a company with no revenue, which is a very smart move. I mean, it was very smart on their end. That's now they're probably down like even more than I am. That's impressive. I don't know how they did that, but they're very smart move. Very smart move. We'll look at some this stockholder equity. Yeah. Stockholder equity deficit equity statement. Yeah. So I issued what 72 million shares. That's like for what? I don't know. Oh gee, they raised like what 2.6 billion capital. Oh, another date or 576 million or whatever. Oh, they got 8 billion, whatever. Who cares? I like share dilution. That stuff's good. Then here we got the balance sheet. For some reason, you're like, oh, everybody else wants to go from right to left. Well, we're gonna go from left to right. I mean, I don't. Shit hurts my fucking brain. I don't know. Why can't everybody just get on the same page? I don't care if it's from right to left or left to right. Everybody just get on the same fucking page and do everything the fucking same. Okay? Holy shit. I don't care. Just everybody do the same fucking shit. Pick one fucking way to do it. I hate this. My brain can't comprehend this. It's all screwed up. God damn. But anyway, cash and cash equivalents went from 18 billion to about 13 billion. Total current assets, is that total current assets? Yeah, that's what I just read. Fuck, okay. Total assets went from 22 billion to 19 billion. Meanwhile, total liabilities went from, am I reading this right? Fucking hate this shit. 2.7 billion, and now they're 3.6 billion. It's pretty good stuff. Total stockholder equity. I actually have stockholder equity. That's not a good thing. I want an equity deficit. Deficits. I'm like the federal government. I love deficits. Yeah. Deficits. I'm American. Yeah. We went from 19.5 billion to 15.3 billion. So that's good stuff. Then we got the income statement. Yeah. We went from revenue of 1 million to revenue of 536 million for the 3 months ended, but we'll look at the 9 months. I like the 9 months. 1 billion all the way up to almost, or that's 1 million to almost 1 billion. Yeah, just a year. We went from cost of revenue of 83 million to 3.1 billion. Gross profit, negative gross profit. Yeah. I love negative gross profit. That's like what? 2.1 billion negative gross profit. Operating expenses about 3 billion. Interest. Oh no, that's interest income. 94 million. That's good. But we got the loss from operations. Oh yeah, 5 billion loss from operations. Yeah. I mean, net loss. This is all good stuff. A lot of negative numbers. Share dilution. Cost of revenue more than revenue. I love Rivian stock. Not as good as MULN, but it's still a pretty respectable stock. I own a little bit. Most of my money is in MULN Automotive. I love MULN Automotive. Super bullish on that. If you hate MULN Automotive, get the fuck off my channel. Like, go. Get out of here. But, leave your thoughts down below. And, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thank you. I appreciate you. I love you. I love you so much. I love you. I really do. I love you.